Hey everyone, I'm Bob Jablonsky with Bob Jablonsky and Associates and Jablonsky Tax Relief. We help taxpayers with all of their tax needs, but our special focus is helping taxpayers who have IRS problems. They're under audit or they owe the government. If you've owed the government, if you've owed the IRS with back taxes over the last few years, you may have noticed a substantial drop in IRS letters and notices and action. And for many people, this has led them into a false sense of security. Nothing's going to happen. The IRS has stopped collecting. Well, recently, as you may have heard in the news, they've received $80 billion in funding to ramp up enforcement and collection actions, and they've begun that process. If you've received a letter LT38, it's a reminder, and it's the first step in the collection process. It's just they felt they had to do it because it had been so long since they've been contacting taxpayers, and now it's reminding you you do owe this money, and we're going to start collecting. After this, they're going to take off. The plan is by the IRS is to take up where they left off. So if you were early in the collection process with notices, they'll pick up from there and they'll move forward. If you were late in the process, you may find yourself quickly becoming at risk of levies, seizures, and garnishments. So now's the time to take action, either by yourself, if it's something you can handle, or find a professional to help you. But it is going to start to get more serious, so it's time to take some action. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like so others will watch it. If you're not a subscriber today, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll continue to update you on what's happening. Quick question, leave it in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. And finally, if you need professional help, give me a call, 954-715-7285, or get on my calendar. I'll leave you the link in the description below. Thanks again for listening, and I hope you all have a great day.